Namaste everyone. I'm Parminder, a Karm Shakti. I'm currently working as an actuarial analyst with an insurance consulting firm, WTW. My story, unfortunately, is a very common one in our nation. वो स्टोरी जहाँ पे लड़कियों को उनके घर से, उनके स्कूल से आगे ड्रीम करना अलाउड नहीं होता है. And today, I want to take you through this journey of me taking steps, which, to be honest, sometimes felt a little scary. They were often uncertain, towards building a career, a purpose, and then finally a voice of my own. Now, what does it even mean to be a young girl trying to understand these big, huge concepts of financial independence, trying to understand the complexities of building a career for yourself, especially when nobody around you has really walked that path before? For many of us, it starts with questions, some really intimidating questions. Corporate job, वो क्या होती है? मुझे तो अपना CV बनाना भी नहीं आता. एंड चलो वो सब ठीक है, बट व्हाट इफ मैं उस इंटरव्यू तक पहुंच तो जाऊं लेकिन मुझे उतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश ही बोलना नहीं आता हो, बिकॉज मैं तो सरकारी स्कूल से थी. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस दे वर वेरी वेरी रियल फॉर मी, मेनली बिकॉज I did not grow up around women who were cracking interviews, who were negotiating their salaries, who were basically busy building not just a career, but a life for themselves. I did not grow up around such women. So when I tried to do that, when I tried to enter the world of work, it, to be honest, felt a little unnatural in the start. College में भी मल्टीनेशनल्स तक के सपने तो मैं कभी देख भी नहीं पाई थी. I remember I had a very different dream back then. I was actually preparing for the armed forces. Mainly because वो सपना ऐसा था जो मेरे आसपास वाले लोगों ने मेरे लिए देखा था. And I obviously had to give it a try. But I failed. I remember I got screened out from the very last stage of my NDSSB interview. And just like that, I was back to zero. And to be honest, वापस zero पे जाना कोई बड़ी बात भी नहीं थी, especially for girls who come from the backgrounds that I come from. वहाँ पे we are raised to be eventually married off, to take care of kids. So even if you're not able to kickstart a career for yourself, that isn't considered to be a great deal. हमें बस इतना पढ़ा दिया जाता है कि हम अपने बच्चों को पढ़ा सकें, उन्हें ट्यूशन ना भेजना पड़े, लेकिन इतना काबिल नहीं बनाया जाता कि हम उस पढ़ाई से अपने लिए भी थोड़ा बहुत कुछ कमा सकें. But unlike most others, I was lucky. I had Karm. Karm taught me that careers are not a zero-sum game. Careers कोई लॉटरी या कोई स्प्रिंट की तरह नहीं होते हैं, जहाँ पे एक तरफ तो दूर से शाइनी दिखने वाली एक सरकारी नौकरी है और अगर वो ना मिल पाए तो किसी के घर की चार दीवारें. मेरे पेरेंट्स ने तो मुझे यही बताया था, बट कर्म टॉट मी दैट ऐसा नहीं होता है. कर्म opened my world to so many opportunities out there which I didn't even know that they existed. That's when I realized that I can try, I can fail sometimes, but then I can try again and I can find myself a work. जैसे आज कांता मैम ने बोला, एक ऐसा काम जिसको करने में मुझे मज़ा आता हो, जो करते हुए मैं गाना गा सकूं, जो मुझे कुछ कमाने में मदद करे, एंड इन सबसे ऊपर एक ऐसा काम जो मुझे मेरी पहचान दे. एंड मैंने देखा था मेरे आसपास काफ़ी महिलाओं के पास वो चीज़ नहीं थी, उनकी खुद की अपनी एक पहचान, और मेरा काम मुझे वो दिला सकता था. In my third year, I remember, Karm also helped me quite a lot to take those initial steps, starting from very basics like English grammar, then English speaking, then critical thinking, how to form your own opinions, how to put it in front of an audience. All of that, they taught me. I had mock interviews. I remember Abhay sir sitting right here. I had mock interviews with him. So Karm somehow, through all those classes and workshops, made us world of work ready. Now, in my third year, when people were aiming for Google and banks, I was still Googling कि चलो ठीक है, कॉर्पोरेट जॉब क्या होती है वो तो समझ आ गया, बट अभी एक्चुअल साइंस क्या होती है मुझे टू बी ऑनेस्ट उस शब्द का मतलब भी नहीं पता था उस टाइम पे. But there was just one thing that I knew, that I have to try. So I filled out forms, made a CV I wasn't sure about, and gave interviews that I thought I bombed at that moment. But in the end, I made it, somehow. One step at a time, several rounds of interviews, and halfway through the third year of my college, I had a job. Now, I thought it ended with me getting a job, like a nice, happy ending, right? But how wrong was I? It was actually just the beginning. When I joined WTW, something incredible happened. The India head of our organization, Vivek sir, he actually agreed to become a mentor at Karm. मुझे याद है वो हमारी कॉन्वोकेशन पे आए थे when everybody was busy with photos and celebrations. He come up to me and उन्होंने सिर्फ 4 शब्द बोले, see you in the office. Now, my eyes brightened hearing the word office. And at that time, it felt like my two worlds, that was Karm and the organization that I was going to be a part of, that suddenly connected. मुझे उसी टाइम रियलाइज हो गया था कि ये जर्नी मुझसे थोड़ी बड़ी होने वाली है. Now, WTW saw the value in Karm, and our office opened its door for my junior fellows, and they had their first office immersion in our office. I remember seeing them smiling, asking questions. They were so curious. And just like that, I wasn't just a girl who had cracked a placement. I had somewhere become a bridge. And what do bridges do? They build connections and they carry hope. And on this note, I still remember this one day, early morning, I was in the office and I got a call from one of my junior fellows, Pooja. She isn't here today, but she called me. She had become Vivek sir's mentee by then, and she had come to our office for a mentor meeting. So I thought that maybe she's not able to find the office building and that's why she's calling. So I pick up the call, and Pooja, she goes like, Didi, I've found the office building. I'm standing right below. लेकिन मुझे ना आपके ऑफिस की लिफ्ट यूज़ करनी नहीं आती है. So can you come down and get me? And that moment, I laughed initially, but then it hit me that I have now become a part of a chain. Like, this journey is so much beyond just my career and my aspirations. Like a girl who one day cried in a mentoring meeting with Vinita ma'am was now holding the elevator open for the next girl. I mean, isn't this all about this? Yeah. And similar to me, there are so many of us young women who were not handed maps, who were told to choose more safer and women-friendly careers even if you want to work. But here's what we have learned, that you don't need to have a perfect plan. Life का कोई perfect plan नहीं होता है. You don't need to feel 100% ready. मैं खुद किसी भी चीज़ के लिए 100% ready नहीं थी. You just have to take that step forward. You're scared, unsure, fine. But just take that imperfect step forward and trust that there are so many women around you who are ready to walk that path with you. And I say this today with so much of belief in my heart, because when I needed people, there were so many women who actually held my hands and walked the path with me when I was a little scared. Many of them are sitting right here. Many of them are outside this auditorium, and I'm so grateful to each one of them. And in the end, I just want to say that I stand here today not as someone who's made it, I mean, not even close, but as someone who's representing many of us. In fact, all of us sitting right here, I would say, who are making it every single day. And together, I believe that we are making this world where the elevator, वो जो lift है ना, वो सिर्फ ऊपर नहीं जाती है. It actually comes back down for the next goal waiting in the line. Thank you everyone.